In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off auto dubbing on YouTube. Sometimes when you play a video, YouTube automatically switches the audio into a different language using an AI generated voice. If you prefer to hear the original creator's voice, or you just want to listen in the original language, you can easily change this setting while you're watching. I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the YouTube website. Make sure you're on the main YouTube homepage or your YouTube dashboard. You can be signed in or not. This works either way. The key thing is that you're watching on a device where the gear icon or settings icon is visible on the video player. This method works best on a computer or laptop, but the idea is similar on mobile. Next, find and click on the video you want to watch. You can choose any video that's currently being auto-dubbed. When the video opens, let it start playing so that all the player controls appear at the bottom of the video. If they disappear, just move your mouse over the video to bring them back. Now look for the settings icon on the video player. This is the little gear symbol usually found in the bottom right corner of the video. Click on that gear icon to open the settings menu for this specific video. This menu controls things like quality, subtitles, and the audio track. In the settings menu, look for the option labeled audio track. Go ahead and click on audio track. This is where YouTube lists all the available languages and dubbing options for the video you're watching. You'll see a list of different languages. Near the top, above any auto-dubbed languages, you should see the original language of the video. For example, if the original language is English, you'll see English listed above the auto-dubbed versions. To turn off the auto-dubbing, simply click on the original language option. Once you do that, the video will immediately switch back to the original audio, and the automatic dubbing will be disabled for that video. You'll now hear the creator's real voice in the original language just as it was uploaded. That's all there is to it. By using the gear icon, selecting audio track, and choosing the original language, you can quickly turn off auto dubbing on any supported YouTube video.